Go. Travis, what are you showing me? You're showing me how excited you are? So we're at the beach at Lake Michigan at Covert Park Campground, and the boys are very excited, right boys? Well, we're pretty much out here by ourselves, and I think we're gonna traverse into the water. All right, let's go see what it feels like. Yeah. Oh, it's cold. It's cold, all right. How do you feel, Noah? Ah! Oh my goodness, it's freezing. Oh, Travis is down. What do you think, guys? Should we build a sandcastle, Noah? You want to build a sandcastle?